guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a thrift flip, which I'm really excited about. It was really fun to get creative and crafty with this project. I am transforming a t-shirt and a pair of sweatpants that I got at the thrift store into a super cute matching set. I'm also really excited because today's video is sponsored by Cricut. And if you don't know what Cricut is this really cool machine which basically makes DIY projects a piece of cake. Cricut has 6 compatible tools for cutting, writing, foiling, and more. With Cricut, you can cut, draw, and embellish over 100 types of material. You can use fabric, vinyl, cardstock, and iron-on, which I'm using today, so stick around if you want to see how to use that. The possibilities on what you can create with Cricut are literally endless. So with that being said, let's get into my thrift flip. Okay, so here are the sweatpants and t-shirt. They really aren't even the same blue, but I feel like they are close enough to look matching. And so my plan is to crop this t-shirt. It's pretty long, and that's not where I want it to be cute with these pants. So I'm going to crop it a few inches up, and then I'll roll these two so they're not as baggy. And I'm going to put one design on the pocket. I'm going to do a big design on the back right there, and then I think one right here, and then one on the ankle. So yeah, let's make this thing cute. Okay, can you move, Frank?
Let's go back.
So now I'm going to crop this t-shirt, and one of my favorite tips is to use a t-shirt that you like the crop length as a guide, because you never want to crop it too short. The best thing to do is be safe, because you can always cut off more later, but you can't add any back on. So I'm going to use this t-shirt, and I really like the length of this one. It's kind of like a longer crop. And I'm going to just line it up as best I can on top, and then I'm just going to cut along the bottom. I'm actually going to leave about ½ an inch margin under the white one, because I'm going to leave this a raw hem and see how it kind of rolls up. That's about an inch or ½ an inch, and we just don't want to cut this one too short. Okay, one last tip before we cut. Use fabric scissors. It's so much easier and they cut way nicer. Okay, so now that we have cropped our shirt, we're going to kind of stretch the end to create that little raw hem, little roll up look. I really like to crop shirts this way. I just think it looks really cute. So you kind of just pull gently on the shirt, and then you have the super cute rolled hem. So the next step is where the Cricut gets involved. I just opened up the Cricut design space on my laptop, and I'm going to create a new project and import the designs that I found on the internet for free for this sweatsuit. But you can also create your own designs right here on the Cricut design space. They have so many fonts and cute things to pick from. So there's endless possibilities on what you can create. Okay, so I just loaded the Smart Iron-On heat transfer vinyl into the Cricut, and what's really cool about this vinyl is that it doesn't need the mat. It can just be fed into the machine by itself. So now that my design is all ready to go, I'm just going to press continue, and the Cricut is going to work its magic. Okay, so my design is fully cut now and is out of the Cricut. You can't see it because it's all white, but this is the design that I just had my little Cricut cut out. And now I'm going to take these tools and take off all of the excess vinyl that we don't need. Here are my designs all ready to be heat transferred onto my clothes. I'm just preheating the iron right now, and then I will transfer them. Okay, look how cute that is.
So cute.
I love it. I love that we went with this design. It's so cute. and no one else has it. And now it's time to do the pants. So like I said, we're gonna do the cute little flower right here on the front, and then the like group of flowers somewhere around the ankle. So let's start with the little one. Right, here's the last design. So cute. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So it's the next day, and this is how it turned out. It is so cute. I love the back with this design. I just think it's so cute on the back with this cropped. And then I love the flowers on the pants, especially the back one. And it was so fun and easy to make, and I will be sure to put all of the Cricut info down below so you guys can research that if you guys want to get one and make it yourself. But I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!